Hi, welcome to my class. I'm Krishna Mukherjee. Today I would like to show you how to develop your product, make it more presentable. It's just in a, you could say a toy work, and the students will get this idea. So what I am doing mainly in the students class, you will get this idea how to connect the C sharp with Python, and then connect Python with the DoCplex, and connect DoCplex with the Cplex solvers, and you solve it. A vehicle routing problem, once you solve, then you populate the informations to the Google map or the G map, and you plot the diagram. So this is the rule. So I'm showing you, just check it carefully. So I'm just clicking solver. So in the solver, you will get the GA, genetic algorithm, PSO, this reinforcement learning, and the Cplex. The Cplex I'm clicking, just wait and check how it is populating this window. And I have mentioned a progress bar here, so you can check the status of this progress bar. And it will take a very short period of time. Initially, I'm considering only 15 vehicles. Now, why I'm considering only 15 vehicles, it can solve this 100, 1000, etc. The thing is, I just want to check whether the G map can be populated with it or not, because as per the documentations, G map can find out the route or the directions of only 8 uh, points. It cannot do more than that. So to cross the barrier, so I am using some alternative way to use it. Now the your solver is connected with the DoCplex and the Cplex via Python, and it is populating the data, so you can check it is how the data is coming up. And within short period of time it will complete. It will take maximum uh, less than a minute. I think less than a minute. Let's see. See, this is the Cplex part. You are getting this output from the Cplex. See, you can check 7.29 seconds. So it is pretty fast. I'm using 4 GB RAM. I'm not using the parallel processing. I will also show you, if you use this parallel processing, how to ramp the process. Now next is I will go to the plot. So I need to check whether, so I will share it. Now I'm plotting this one. So let's see, if you click the plot button, see, you will get the graph. See, I'm just using the latitude longitude of this Kolkata, and I'm selecting these points. Now here you will get this blue point. This is the depot, and these red points are basically the customers. And here you are getting this status of the progress bar, and this is the zoom. If you reduce the zoom, say make it 12, and if you replot, see, these are the points. It's a simple vehicle routing problem. You can consider a truck with a certain capacity. It will visit several points, and it will dump the load, and there is some time window. So within time window, it has to achieve the task. So that's all in brief. In the next sessions, I will show you more details like the genetic algorithm, how to connect the GA with the C sharp, how to connect the PSO with the C sharp, etc. So thank you very much.